tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Luck VIP Proxy 6G, 5G, 4G on all Android devices, all networks, all countries for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. I'll guide you through even in the comment section. Don't forget to express, comment your device, your network, your country. I'm going to provide you with the best settings. So that is it. Let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to come and then you're going to try to search this application, which is Luck VIP Proxy. Then search. By selecting search, it will take a few seconds to search, and then after you'll be able to see the application. Take note of the app icon, the app name, the developer's name, and then download, install, and then after installing, open. Then you're going to be required to set up this application, but it will request you some notification permissions. And then after, keep in mind that our tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now after, we're going to come right here where you see update the resources. By selecting update resources, your application will require some running data bundle to update the resources to the latest version. Keep in mind that once you don't update these resources, this application won't connect and you will be failing the first step. So we recommend you to update the resources. And then we're going to be required to choose the online method of updating resources. Then we are going to give it some few seconds, a maximum of 5 seconds to update the resources. And then after, as we update the resources, I'm going to come and then take you through how we're going to set up the servers. You're going to come where you see the auto select server and then check the auto select server. After checking those auto select servers, we're going to be seeing these servers. I recommend you viewers to choose a server that is your location or near to your location, or that is, if you don't have your location server, in these servers you see, choose a server that is near or that is your location. But if your location is not available in this application, recommend you to keep. So you guys who don't have servers right here, we're going to come and keep in the auto select server. And then after selecting auto select server, we're going to the last step. Now in our last step, we are going to come where you see this option where I'm circling, and then you're going to come, if your servers are not in the recommended tab, you're going to switch from recommended to all countries. And then after, in all countries, you're going to try to look for your country's server. But if your country supports UDP, you're going to just type UDP in the search bar. And then after, you're going to come and then try to use, if you have an eSIM, and try to use AllNet eSIM, go UDP, or you can try to look for your country's server. But I recommend you to all you guys keep in the AllNet eSIM, go UDP. Then after start, give it some few seconds, accept the connection request. Now it will be connecting successfully for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So what if it fails to connect? You're going to try to restart your device. You're going to try to get that cake. You're going to try to activate your SIM card in case you are in Uganda. Try to buy line from home. Or you can try to also, you're going to turn airplane mode on and then off. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Morris Tech and I sign out.